As our company's independent research and development technology is becoming mature, we launched the Precise AI Alert products with 6 smart functions, provide you with more comprehensive services. Now, let's show you loitering and setting course. When IP camera detects person who is loitering more than set time in appointed area, it will trigger alarm.
Please don't stop at the elevator entrance. Please don't stop at the elevator entrance. Please don't stop at the elevator entrance.
Setting tutorial, configuration, alarm management, intelligent events. Select the channel. Select loitering. Click enable. Click the erase to clear existing detection area. Draw new detection area. Set the sensitivity and duration of stay. Click setting of camera light alarm. Click enable. Choose the suitable duration and time. Click confirm. Click setting of camera sound alarm. Click enable. Select the number of play, audio and arming time. Click confirm after setting. Click setting of arming time. Arming according to requirement. Click confirm. Click setting of linkage mode. Setting linkage configuration. Click confirm. Click save. Kindly prompt enable loitering, automatic shutdown staff absence. Click confirm. Click exit after showing finish save. Back to preview.